If your company runs on Microsoft Teams, you know the drill: chat, meetings, files, all in one place. But calling, for a lot of businesses, that's still the piece that doesn't quite fit. Zoom Phone was built to meet Microsoft Teams users exactly where they are, with a few different ways to bring in real calling, depending on how much customization your business needs. Today, we're focused on the simplest form: Zoom Operator Connect for Microsoft Teams. Zoom's Operator Connect lets Zoom Phone power the calling that's already native to Microsoft Teams. Your team doesn't have to switch apps or learn a new interface. They place and receive calls right inside Teams, the same way they always have. What changes is what's running behind the scenes. Zoom becomes your PSTN carrier, and that unlocks three things. First, you manage your Zoom phone numbers straight from Microsoft Teams. Provisioning is built in. Second, flexibility. Move numbers between Zoom Phone and Teams anytime, right from the Zoom web portal, as your business needs change. And then third is confidence. Zoom Now is part of Microsoft Teams Operator Connect platform. It's designed to work inside of Microsoft Teams. It's designed to be usable. Operator Connect is the right fit if you're a Teams-first organization without a lot of legacy phone infrastructure to untangle, especially if you're migrating off of a Microsoft calling plan and want the fastest, lowest lift way to get native Teams calling live. And it's just one part of the bigger picture. Whether you want the full Zoom experience, Zoom's calling features inside Teams, or the carrier flexibility of direct routing, Zoom meets Microsoft Teams users wherever they are. And if you're ready to discuss this more, maybe just DM me or leave some comments below. And if you really want to dive deep into it, maybe just reach out to your Zoom account team. I'm sure they'll be happy to discuss it with you. I'm Patrick Kelly, the Tattooed Nerd. Thanks for watching.